Hi guys, it's Troy Anderson from Troy Anderson Nitro RC. This is it's actually brand new Kyosho Inferno mp9 tki4. It had the tki4 SP engine in it, but I've just got it back today with something a little bit different sticking out the top. So let's have a look. Sorry, I've cut my thumb, so this could be a bit hard. Okay, so what we have here is an Alpha 850T 5-port 0.28 engine with the Alpha tune pipe. It's all fitted, ready to go, ready to race. I've just got to put the new air filter on. It's had one tank through it already, so I've got three more tanks, and then a couple at quarter throttle, couple at half throttle, and then I can start doing some high speed runs and tuning it a bit better. I don't know about you, but it's one good looking engine. And the 0.28, it's got plenty of grunt, plenty of power, and quite a little bit different to the KE25 SP that it came originally with. Looking forward till tomorrow. I'm going to take it down the local park and run a few more tanks through it, and hopefully get to the stage where it's able to be run properly and tuned for performance. It's amazing engine, amazing car. It's going to get up and go, and I just love it. It's got real potential, and I look forward to making some running videos, and then some videos of it actually running and popping them up. I just want to apologise for my last couple of videos that I've uploaded. Have been out of sync and I had a crackling noise in the background. There was some issues with the YouTube app, but I've sorted that out. So this video should sound quite okay. Well, not much else I can say except that's just one good looking engine and the tune pipe to match. It's going to make some real power. It's going to be a bit of excitement to drive. So yeah, stay tuned and head to Troy Anderson Nitro RC to have a look at my other videos of this one that I posted today running in. I put 2 tanks through it. It's got the Traxxas raw pipe on, and the big bore suspension that's been changed over, and a different air filter. And then I've got to get onto this. It's a second-hand Kyosho Neo that I found cheap. It's in really good condition. It's designed as an entry-level buggy, but it has the big suspension. Now I've gone ahead and it usually only comes with the single ring and pinion gears in the diffs, the front, rear, and middle diffs. So I've gone and bought the second lot to strengthen them up to play a little bit harder. I've already put the Kyosho tune pipe on it, and I've got a tki4 SP that came out of the mp9 originally, that I had a problem with the crank, so I'm gonna, once I get that engine rebuilt and the crank sorted out, it's a brand new engine, I'm gonna drop it in this. Take quite a bit of work to do. I'm gonna do all the diffs, I'm gonna pull all the shockies apart, clean them up and re-oil them and set them. The diff should be a bit fun. It's going to be fiddly, and it'll be essentially a brand new buggy by the time I'm finished, because the diffs will be upgraded and re-greased and oiled, and I'll have a brand new engine in it, a brand new tune pipe. Once the suspension's pulled down, cleaned and re-oiled and reset, they'll essentially be brand new. And apart from that, it's in good condition, there's not much else to do. It'll be a bit of fun. It's more of a project. I've got the body here, which is being cut out a little bit ugly from the previous owner, so I've got a clear body and a black wing that I'm going to paint, sort of personalise it a little bit, and yeah, so a little bit of work to do there. So tomorrow look for my video of running a few more tanks through the HPI 3.0 nitro monster truck, and also running a few more tanks through my brand new Kyosho Inferno mp9 tki4 with the .28 Alpha 850T 5-port engine. Should be a bit of fun, keep me busy for a little while. Okay, thanks for listening. Hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you want to look at some previous videos, go to Troy Anderson Nitro RC. See you later. Bye.